Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Kenwood blender that I just got. This is the big jug. It's 2.5 liters. You use this to grind your tomatoes, your fresh pepper, your beans, and anything you need to add water before blending. You can use this for it. While this small jug here is for your dried products, whatever you know that is dry that you want to blend, you can use this for it. So as you can see, it has 6 blades, okay, iron blades. Yes, this one as well, the big jug also has 6 iron blades, like it crushes whatever you want to blend. This is the stick, the spatula you use in pressing whatever that doesn't want to go in. These are the covers. Just stay with me, let me show you how to set it all up and show you how it works. This is the engine, as you all can see, okay. And it has knobs, okay. This one is the off and on. The other one is where you regulate it, okay. So I got this blender this January, so I've been using this blender for like 4 to 5 months now. Okay, I deliberately did not post this video when I made it. Okay, I wanted to use this blender to make sure that it works before coming here to give a review. Okay, so one thing about this blender is when you make use of it, according to the manufacturers, they said you should use it intermittently. When you want to blend with it, just on and pause for a while, on and pause for a while. Don't use it for more than 5 minutes at a stretch, okay. So when you're using the wet blender, okay, the wet jug, make sure that whatever product you add in there, for instance you want to blend beans, add your beans, add enough water to it. At least let the water be half of what you added in the blender, okay. So I tried blending for more than 5 minutes at the stretch and it went off by itself, like it tripped off by itself. So I left it, I gave it time, it started working again, okay. So adhere to the manufacturer's instruction. Please watch and enjoy. Don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.